Hi there, this is Evelyn. Today we're going to talk about the recent surge in Bitcoin transaction fees. In early May, BTC transaction fees reached their highest level in over 2 years, with a total of $3.57 million paid on the Bitcoin blockchain on May 3 alone. This increase in fees can be attributed to the recent adoption of BRC-20 tokens, which use ordinals inscriptions to store new tokens on top of Satoshis. Despite the rise in fees, Bitcoin's average daily transaction fee is still significantly lower than Ethereum's. According to data from Into the Block, the average daily transaction fee on Bitcoin is currently $6, compared to $17 on Ethereum. While the rapid adoption of BRC-20 tokens by the meme token community is a notable development, it has unintentionally led to a surge in Bitcoin's transaction fees due to the trading frenzy of meme coins such as Pepe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cryptocurrency news.